Okay guys, we've just checked out of the Radisson Blu. We managed to do a little bit of kayaking very quickly this morning. Finally,
yeah.
now we are off to Trou Aux Biches. I think that's how you say it. Got a rental car, so we're gonna go check in at, it's not actually a hotel, it's just like basic accommodation for the few days that we still here. So let's go. Bye. Trey's gonna try this Fanta passion fruit.
Subtle passion fruit taste.
So the biryani comes with a bit of salad and then this sort of chili sauce paste thing. What is this, Trey?
Yeah, spicy tamarind sauce.
Sort of chutney or spicy sauce, which I'm not familiar with. This is the first thing I find in the biryani. It's not. Trace, you gonna try it?
Oh, that's spicy.
Is it spicy? Really? Is it your type of biryani?
It tastes like biryani.
It tastes like biryani. Is that good or bad? Good.
It's not double.
I mean, it comes to Mauritius. What is a South African restaurant food? Panarottis pizza. He doesn't even eat Panarottis in South Africa. What's interesting is they give you little packets of garlic.
Chili?
And some chili, ketchup with your pizza, which we don't get at home.
3, 2, 1. It's very nice.
Very good. Out of 5?
The cheese doesn't taste the best.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
For Panarottis in Mauritius.
Yeah.
There's also a Nando's, if we're ever stuck.
Yeah.
Just came to a supermarket, so we thought we'd show you what the prices are like. This place is called Chez Pop or Chez Popo, or something like that. Some popular South African white wines. That's how much a bottle of Jägermeister costs. Pack of beer. Deodorant.
It's called General, so 56.
This is a wholemeal crusty bread, 62 rupees. A 6-pack of 1.5 litre waters, washing powder, olive oil, peanut butter, Nutella, this, a Coke, 6-pack of eggs, packets, cereal,
Yeah. 70 rupees.
milk, cans of tuna, apples, different types of butter, whole chicken, Ferreros. So this is what 2,000 rupees gets you in terms of groceries. Yeah, so that's everything we got at the supermarket for the next few days. Okay, a slight correction. So this is essentially 1,500 rupees. And then this sunblock was about 500 rupees, so this makes it 2,000.
Hey guys, we missed the sunset because we are in the supermarket, but we got this view.
just taking a stroll down this beautiful beach. Hello. Isn't this beautiful? Let's test this water quickly. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's so nice, guys. There's people swimming over there.
No. No.
You wet your flip-flops.
No, flip-flop. I wanted to keep them dry.
So hopefully we can spend a bit more time here in the next few days. So guys, Troy is not feeling well. So we had to find a on-call doctor that we could come to. So we've just come to this place called Cabinet Medical. Doc is arriving now. Okay, this young man is sick. So we just saw the doc and prescribed some meds, so we got to the pharmacy now. There's the pharmacy.
Hi guys, Troy's feeling much better today, so we decided to come to check out Port Louis.
Caudan Waterfront to check that out because the weather's terrible. It's 100% rain. We're supposed to go on a catamaran cruise this morning, but with 100% rain, it's unlikely we're going to enjoy it. And Troy was also unwell, so this seems like a better activity for the weather. So we're going to check out the waterfront and then try and go into Port Louis Central, the town, and see what we can see there. We did come here in our last trip, but we didn't. The waterfront was closed at that time, and we didn't get to spend as much time in the city center. Yeah, so that's what we've got planned for today. We're gonna try some street food. Oh, and we're trying this thing called a park and ride.
Yes.
Which is, so we've driven to this parking lot, parked our car, and then to avoid us having to walk all these distances, there's a shuttle that'll take us to the waterfront, and then there's shuttles that take you into the town also. So we'll see what that's like. Cool. See you guys just now.
Hi. We're at the market.
Central Market.
Central Market. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Wow, fun. This is a Luda, which is like a ice cream milkshake. So nice.
Have a go, love.
This is Trace trying it for the first time.
It tastes like vanilla ice cream with Nestle cream in the can. Substitutes.
Tastes like Bombay Crush.
Tastes like a vanilla Bombay Crush minus the rose syrup.
Do you recommend?
Definitely recommend.
Where'd you get that?
They gave it to me for returning the cup.
So we just got the shuttle here. So we escaped central town.
It was crazy.
It was chaotic, hectic,
Hot.
rainy. We get a chance to find something to eat here in the Caudan Waterfront. See what this place is about.
Yeah.
And eat some.
Yes.
Yes, I would be eating.
The vegan dump. Oh, salt, spice, quite tasty.
Quite tasty.
Hey guys, we're about to try dumplings from
From where?
Dumpling Round.
So what did we get? We got chicken and chives, chicken and shrimp, I think, and then pan-fried vegan. Oh my god, Troy, you put that whole thing in your mouth. For you to finish chewing. Okay, so what did you try?
I think I got the chicken and shrimp one.
out of 5?
5. It's very.
5 out of 5. Wow. Trey, you're gonna try.
So I'm trying chicken. Lots of filling. Chicken and chives.
Okay.
10 out of 5. Definitely.
Okay, so this was Troy in this spot 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, zoom in on the face. Now, let's see what the face looks like now. Okay, are you pretending? That is a massive bat, the biggest bat I've ever seen.
Guys, look, it's a floating restaurant.
Except there's all this like pollution down here. Okay guys, that's it for the waterfront. We've done everything we could, we're exhausted, but we've got some
Halim.
halim and
It's
paratha, I think
yes,
it's called,
like a paratha with vegetable filling.
to try when we get home. Okay, let's go.
Roti with veg curry.
But they call it paratha.
Yeah. Lots of filling. That is so delicious. It's green beans curry with some pumpkin, with some tomato chutney and some green banana curry. Yum.
Rated out of 5.
I would give it a 4 out of 5.
This is the halim that we bought in the food court earlier. I think I'll try it without any bread. That is so tasty.
Out of 5, what would you rate it?
4 out of 5. Hearty, spicy and delicious.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And check out our other videos.